Hi, in this video we are talking about 3 vitamins to improve kidney health. The kidneys are vital organs in the human body responsible for filtering and removing waste products and excess fluids from the blood, producing urine, and maintaining a balance of electrolytes. Due to deficiency of vitamins B, C, and D, many people are facing kidney issues. In this video we will also talk about how you should include these vitamins into your diet. Before we discuss these vitamins in details, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more health and wellness videos. Role of vitamin B in kidney health. Vitamin B, a group of water-soluble vitamins, plays a significant role in supporting kidney health. Several B vitamins, including B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B6, pyridoxine, B9, folate, and B12, cobalamin, contribute to various aspects of kidney function. B vitamins are essential for cellular metabolism, providing energy for kidney cells and supporting their overall function. Red blood cell production. Vitamin B6 and B12 are involved in the synthesis of hemoglobin and red blood cells, contributing to proper oxygen transport and overall kidney function. Homocysteine regulation. B vitamins, particularly B6, B9, and B12, play a role in regulating homocysteine levels. Elevated homocysteine is associated with an increased risk of kidney disease. Prevention of anemia. Adequate levels of B vitamins, such as B12 and folate, are crucial for preventing anemia, a condition that can impact kidney function. It's important to note that while B vitamins are essential for kidney health, maintaining an overall balanced diet, staying hydrated, and managing other risk factors, such as diabetes and hypertension, are also critical for preventing kidney disease and promoting long-term kidney health. Let's talk about how we should include vitamin B in our diet. Whole grains. Include whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat in your meals. These are good sources of B vitamins, particularly B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, and B3, niacin. Leafy greens. Dark, leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard contain folate, B9, a vital B vitamin. Include these greens in salads, smoothies, or sautéed as a side dish. Lean proteins. Incorporate lean protein sources like poultry, fish, lean meats, and eggs into your diet. These provide B6, pyridoxine, B12, cobalamin, and other B vitamins. Dairy products. Dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese are good sources of B vitamins, including B2, B6, and B12. Opt for low-fat or fat-free options if you are mindful of your fat intake. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent sources of various B vitamins, including folate. Add them to soups, salads, or use them as a main dish. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and peanuts are rich in B vitamins. Snack on a handful of nuts or seeds or sprinkle them on salads or yogurt. Fruits. While fruits are not the primary source of B vitamins, some fruits contain small amounts. Bananas and avocados, for example, contain B6. Supplements. If it's challenging to get enough B vitamins through your diet, consider supplements after consulting with a healthcare professional. B-complex supplements are available and can provide a combination of B vitamins. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. The kidneys are susceptible to oxidative stress due to their high metabolic activity and continuous filtration of blood. Antioxidants like vitamin C can protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals, promoting overall kidney health. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a structural protein that forms the basis of connective tissues, including those in the kidneys. Adequate vitamin C supports the maintenance and repair of these tissues, contributing to the overall integrity of the kidneys. Vitamin C can convert into oxalate, a compound that, when present in excessive amounts, may contribute to the formation of kidney stones. However, maintaining a proper balance of vitamin C intake and staying hydrated can mitigate this risk. In fact, vitamin C may have a protective effect against certain types of kidney stones by preventing the adhesion of crystals to kidney cells. Vitamin C is well known for its role in supporting the immune system. A strong immune system is crucial for preventing and managing infections, including those that could affect the kidneys. By enhancing immune function, vitamin C indirectly contributes to kidney health. Let's talk about how we should include vitamin C into our diet. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, limes, and tangerines are excellent sources of vitamin C. Enjoy them as whole fruits, or add citrus segments to salads and snacks. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are not only delicious but also rich in vitamin C. Add them to cereals, yogurt, or enjoy them as a snack. Kiwi. Kiwi is a small fruit that packs a powerful punch of vitamin C. Peel and slice it to enjoy as a standalone snack or add it to fruit salads. Pineapple. Fresh pineapple is a tropical fruit that provides a good dose of vitamin C. Include pineapple chunks in fruit salads or enjoy them on their own. Tomatoes, broccoli, bell peppers, papaya, mango are also good source of vitamin C. Remember that vitamin C is sensitive to heat and can be lost during cooking. To preserve the vitamin C content, consider consuming some fruits and vegetables raw or lightly cooked. If you're concerned about meeting your vitamin C requirements, you can also consider taking supplements, but it's generally recommended to obtain nutrients from a diverse and balanced diet whenever possible. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Vitamin D. Vitamin D helps regulate the absorption of calcium and phosphorus in the intestines. These minerals are essential for maintaining bone health and proper functioning of various organs, including the kidneys. Adequate levels of vitamin D ensure the balance of calcium and phosphorus in the body, which is crucial for preventing mineral imbalances that can lead to kidney problems. Vitamin D is vital for the maintenance of strong and healthy bones. It aids in the absorption of calcium, which is a key component of bone structure. Maintaining optimal bone health is indirectly beneficial for kidney function because the kidneys play a role in regulating calcium levels. The kidneys play a role in blood pressure regulation through the production of renin. Adequate levels of vitamin D are associated with lower renin levels, which may contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure and reducing the risk of kidney damage related to hypertension. Now we will talk about how you can enhance your vitamin D intake. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, trout, and sardines are excellent sources of vitamin D. Include these fish in your diet regularly to boost your vitamin D intake. Cod liver oil. Cod liver oil is a potent source of vitamin D. While it may not be a favorite for everyone, some people choose to take cod liver oil supplements to ensure adequate vitamin D intake. Egg yolks. Egg yolks contain small amounts of vitamin D. Include eggs in your diet, and consider using whole eggs rather than just egg whites to get the vitamin D content. Mushrooms, beef liver, cheese are also good source of vitamin D. Remember that vitamin D is synthesized by the skin when exposed to sunlight, specifically UVB rays. Spending time outdoors and allowing your skin to be exposed to sunlight is a natural way to boost vitamin D levels. However, factors such as skin type, geographic location, and the use of sunscreen can affect the body's ability to produce vitamin D from sunlight. If you have concerns about your vitamin D levels, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional. They can assess your individual needs and recommend dietary changes or supplements if necessary. So that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Please do not forget to support us, like, subscribe and share with your friends and family please. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.